Electric shocks occur when an electrical current passes through the human body. This can happen for several reasons: direct contact with electrical sources, touching a live wire, faulty electrical appliances, or frayed cords can cause a shock. The electrical current travels through the body, potentially causing harm. Static electricity, this is a common cause of minor shocks. When you accumulate extra electrons, negative charge, by walking on a carpet, for example, and then touch a conductor like a metal doorknob. The electrons jump to balance the charge, resulting in a shock. Environmental factors, dry air, synthetic clothing, and rubber-soled shoes can increase the likelihood of static electricity buildup. High voltage sources, contact with high voltage sources, such as power lines or lightning, can cause severe shocks with serious health effects. Electric shocks can range from mild tingling to severe injuries, depending on the voltage and duration of exposure. Always be cautious around electrical sources and ensure your home and appliances are well maintained to prevent accidents.